This is our gym, but not for long. I built this building 4 years ago. Then after that, I converted a tiny outbuilding into a workshop, and I love that space. I've upgraded it, tweaked it, and made it into something that I didn't think was possible in an 8 by 8 foot space. But the truth is, I've outgrown it. The space is holding projects back, it's holding the filming back, and it's stopping me from making the projects that I want to. I can't even fit a standard sheet of ply or MDF in there. So I'm doing something that I should have done years ago and swapping these two spaces. This will become the new workshop, and the workshop becomes the gym after a little bit of downsizing. So my dream workshop build starts today. As you can see, this room is a real mess because the move's already started and I can't empty both in here and the workshop. The new workshop is about 5.4 by 3.8 meters, meaning it's about 4 times the size of my current workshop, measuring in at just over 20 square meters. The plan is to make a mitre station with built-in storage right along this back wall, and I'll be able to cut a 2.4 meter length without having to turn the mitre saw and stick the length of timber out of the workshop door. Then in the middle here somewhere, I'm going to have a new table saw with a proper outfeed table built at the back. So no more having to pull my table saw out on casters from underneath the bench top. Then a couple of workbenches either side with all of my main tools, giving some proper space to use them. And the biggest thing that I'm looking forward to in here is being able to use full sheet material, no more having to use sawhorses on the patio. So the first thing I need to do is get this space stripped out, ready for the next stage. So the gym flooring is going, ready to be replaced with a proper workshop floor. This back wall that is clad with scaffolding boards is going to give me a tad more space, and I'm going to be building the guest bedroom bed frame from these. So watch out for that video coming soon. The office is also in here. That's going to be staying, but first we need to downsize it. Then come up with a system to keep the dust out. Right, so what I've done is I've made a bit of a desk pod, and then there is going to be a cover that goes on the front here to stop all of the dust going in. Then up top here, I've got space to build in some more storage. Okay, so here is where we're currently at. Not quite a blank canvas, but close enough. Off camera, I've removed all of the gym equipment and then I've swapped that into the old workshop, which means all of the workshop equipment is now piled up in the back of here. I'm going to be cladding this side wall with some OSB to give myself a nice flush finish, rather than this mismatch of pieces that I've got currently, and then same above the mitre station bench on the back wall to hide the sips. I've installed new lighting in here, so it's now a brighter space, and I've hung the air filter in the middle, so now it's time for the new flooring to go down. But that's going to have to wait for another day because I've got a guest bedroom to finish. So make sure you subscribe. The next workshop episode is going to be coming in 2 weeks. Once the flooring is laid, I'll be able to move all of the tools into place and really get a feel for the space that I've got to work with. I've got all of the plywood for the mitre station at the back, so I'll be doing a separate video for that in a few weeks' time. If you've got any suggestions for the space or just any general tips, leave a comment down below. As always, thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.